What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome or welcome back. How y'all doing? Video. I'm just showing you guys how I make this at home ponytail. I know my natural hair is already starting to get frizzy, but that's neither here nor there. It's not about my hair, how I slick my hair back. It's about this right here. Yeah. Ooh.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's very cheap, very affordable. All you need to make it is $10 hair and scrunchies. And you're gonna see everything, so don't worry about that. If y'all are interested on how to be a baddie on a budget, just keep watching.
Oh my God!
Okay, y'all, so first thing first, we need to get this hair in a ponytail. So let's get this hair in a ponytail first before we make the ponytail, before we try to do any of that, okay? I already showed y'all everything that I have. I'm probably not gonna use all of this stuff, but this is just stuff that I have laid out for options. I don't wanna use gel because I don't wanna curl my hair back up. I called myself trying to straighten it yesterday. Y'all see what it's looking like. You know, I'm looking like somebody's Amy from the 70s. I'm gonna do the back part first. I'm gonna put that in the ponytail first. And then I'm gonna bring the rest to the back.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying
I did make a video like this on my TikTok before. If y'all wanna check out my TikTok, see a quicker version, feel free. But still, you know, check this out. Watch this video too now. Don't do me like that. Y'all, this shining gel is really doing it's doing its thing. I really wasn't expecting this to really work. Y'all seen all them products that I had laid out in the beginning, because that's normally what I need. Like, I normally need product on top of product for my hair, because it's so freaking thick. And this is my hair straight, okay? Are you blaming on me if you the man one time? Are you playing the leaving on the man one time?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.
Let's make this ponytail, okay? This is the hair. I already showed y'all, but I'll show you again in case you missed it. Okay. I think this is the same hair that I used on the video that's on my TikTok. It's only $10, y'all. And the ponytails are reusable. I use my ponytail so many times. Like, it's nappy now. And I could really still use it if I wanted to. It really looks more natural now than anything. Look at how long. It's gonna be a long ponytail. I think this is about how long it was when I first made it. This, all you need is one pack. You need one pack, one scrunchie. And that's it. That's all. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit just in case. You know, I don't want it to break on me while I'm making this damn ponytail, because that did happen to me the first time I made one. So I tie them on one by one. So like how this is one piece, but I try to keep it centered. I try to keep it centered. So make sure they're the same length. Make sure y'all can see. Pull it through here, and then you're really just gonna tie it. You're literally going to tie it. Tie a knot. And that's it. If you want to double knot it, go for it. This is how it looks. So y'all got that way, or you can do it, this way. You take it like this, here, okay? It's like that's like a crochet on the scrunchie, on the hair tie. And then pull it. And that's another way you can do it. I feel like this is a little more stable than trying to like tie it in a knot. It's not gonna be tight no matter how you do it. As far as like the knot goes, the knot isn't gonna be just like solid tight, but it's not gonna go anywhere, okay? The hair isn't gonna slip and fall out or anything like that. And this way is a little bit quicker too versus tying it in a knot. And it's okay if the hair like gets frizzy within the process, because I'm gonna separate the curls anyway and it's gonna get frizzy over time. I don't know how to get it to where y'all can see it while I'm doing it.
You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit, pipe it up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got phones in my right or left. And you can't got the car, ain't no key in there. It's the lost when they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more big. Sky slow, it's really in a prison. Time to speak, it's fine, but you can't look. But they got me to this empty because I spit the flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a tip. Oh, you know, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I
here is the hair. Now I did get like a few strands that's a little bit longer, but I'll fix that. And this is how much scrunchie is left over. Not a lot left over at all, if it will focus. Yeah, so it's not a lot of hair tie left, but so yeah, this is it. This is the ponytail. This is with 3 packs. You could really, if you want to, you get to stop at 2 packs, but I wanted it as full as it can be, just because that's how I had it the last time and it worked. I didn't have any hair showing, so I'm gonna stick with what I know. As far as what I'm going to do for my hair that's still left out, of course we gotta, let's comb this mess out, okay? Now I'm just gonna take this and just wrap it around my hair. It might be a little difficult at first, because it is like such a big hair tie, but just go with it, keep working it down, it'll work. And just like how I'm holding my ponytail down, make sure you hold your ponytail down and not like out, because like whatever direction you hold your hair in is the direction that your ponytail is gonna be sitting. And now we at the end. So just boom. Okay. Let's see how that is. And honestly, I'm gonna put another one on my ends just because I feel like they look a little wild. Do it as much as you need to, as many times as you feel like you need to. That's better. I just need to fix this glue. You guys, I left out bobby pins. Now it's time for the actual application of le ponytail. The ponytail. So you want to put it on with this on top of your hair, okay? So they here. Okay. I know we got a lot of hair ties going on here, but it's okay. So make sure that that's up there, okay? First, you want to make sure that your hair stays covered. So the best way I do that is I take some of the hair from on top and then bobby pin it on my hair. So let me see if I can do it without looking. So that's how you hide your hair. Shit, now that was gonna piss me off. Don't see that long piece anymore. Basically, I'm just gonna take some hair from the back. And this is the hair that I'm gonna use to wrap the top.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, so. You make me
This is the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see y'all in another video.